Liquidity begins febreze. Oh, scout, show.
Breaking news team, take a look at the board behind me. We are seeing unprecedented movement in the tech sector following the announcement.
But we just info for more.
As you can see, this highlighted region here clearly indicates a strong bullish trend developing over the last 2 quarters. This is exactly what we predicted. The split is undeniable. While the traditional markets are cooling out, we're seeing unprecedented growth in the amber sector. Let's dive into why this matters for Q3. Don't listen to the chatter. Slice through the noise and anchor your portfolio right here.
Auf geht's vor. Zielblatt.
Look at this inflection curve. We are seeing significant upward momentum, confirming our analysis that the market is poised for growth in Q3. The market volatility we're tracking is unprecedented, but if we look closely at these documents, the real story behind the Q3 earnings starts to emerge. Look at the difference between the smooth spot line and this stressed area. This volatility is exactly what we've been tracking. The funding arrived today, as you can see, and the push is now to deliver results immediately. As you can see on the LED wall, this gap right here, this spread, is exactly what we need to focus on for the next quarter. It represents a massive opportunity.
Chain to the right.
We're tracking this gap closely. When we zoom in past the initial metrics, the underlying data glows with opportunity. This is where the smart money is moving. As you can see right here, this gap isn't just regional. No, this clearly indicates a significant stress signal in the overall market. So when we look behind the quote, what we're really seeing here is the real metal. The recent volatility in the shipping sector is unprecedented. As you can see here, the cost per container has skyrocketed. While the traditional metrics gave us this choppy movement, the new analysis provides this smooth, clear trend line, indicating stability. And this is the key takeaway right here. We've seen a massive influx of capital pushing the valuation significantly higher, as these arrows clearly demonstrate. As you can see, the global supply chain is rapidly shifting. We're seeing a clear convergence towards this central hub.
Forestry, State Beach, all small.
As you can see from the charts behind me, the market is reacting strongly. The cost of shipping has skyrocketed, and this consolidation trend Look at this flow visualization. The momentum into the premium market is undeniable, showing a strong current of investment moving right here.
I'm feeling false. I have a 30 companies.
Deck. Restored stock offering Ted. Securities in the we stand.
As you can see, the Q3 projections are strong, but if we look at the logistics data, those timelines are slipping significantly. This could impact our year-end targets.
Lost the bottle. Or insult. Death. History. And insta them.
He then gives suckers and call a little break. Stop for something. We'll then trade down. Then
Who adapts fastest?
And survives.
Miller. As you can see on the screens behind me, the trading volume hit a record high this morning. This isn't just a ripple, it's a wave that's going to affect your portfolio.
yes, they did smart for stuff. So you want to be so incredible. The main thing to do sort of short your business, they draw everything and you make this on over time. A word made up on peak line.
Look at this surge right here. But this heartbeat pattern in the indicators suggests we might see a correction soon. Keep a close eye on this sector. The Q3 analysis clearly shows the upward trend we predicted. But looking at these latest figures, I'm starting to wonder if we missed something critical. Look at this hedge matrix. The rapid rearrangement indicates a major breakthrough in the market. We're seeing strong signals for the upcoming quarter.
Right.
To see where to go, this shows draft run. If you learn any plays and stop as well, brace.
Cover, hedge, front, run.
When we look at the charts, it's clear the momentum is shifting. The dominoes are falling, yes, but the direction is changing right before our eyes.
Hey, the gay is Van half right.
The indicators are flashing green across the board. If we zoom in here, the trend line clearly shows a breakout is imminent.
Oh. Well, you sure did Soviet.
Full T.
We need to put the recent volatility into context. It's not the fundamentals driving this, it's pure market psychology right here. When something is common, it's everywhere. But when it's scarce, you have to protect it. That's the key difference in this market. Welcome back to the analysis desk. We're seeing unprecedented movement in the market today, and these trends suggest a major shift is underway. Look at this premium gap. When we activate the signal, it reaches every corner of the globe.
Take it all.
All 40 Ys and you think in the log room. We'll be a strain distance, maybe a sign of reward slide.
It's not just about the price, we have to look past this. The real key here is availability, and that's what we need to focus on. As you can see from these charts, the inventory levels are dropping fast. This unprecedented demand means we're looking at a serious supply crunch by Q3.
Hi, Jane. Found a 2-point Vegas hit on. The user conference states explicitly states under the rules section, no narration in the general.
These industrial upgrades are absolutely essential. The smooth motion of these robotics translates directly to a 20% boost in overall output. Pay close attention to this indicator. Supply is incredibly constrained right now. We are looking at very limited quantities available on the market. The key takeaway here is the fundamental shift in the regulatory environment. We're unlocking potential in new sectors, but it requires a strategic realignment of assets. These previous levels held us back for a while. But look, they don't matter anymore. The momentum has shifted. The momentum is incredible. We're tracking these bids in real time, and the volume suggests a major shift in investor confidence. This right here represents tangible value in an uncertain market. When we look at the data, the ability to leverage this for purchasing power is absolutely critical right now.
Table, oh, now.